Close your eyes. Listen closely. Can you hear it? It starts as a low rumble like distant thunder, but it isn't a storm. It is the sound of 50,000 voices screaming in unison. The ground beneath your feet vibrates. You are standing in the center of the world. You are standing in the Flavian Amphitheatre. Imagine you are not a tourist holding a camera, but a gladiator holding a sword. The heavy wooden gate creaks open. The blinding sun hits your face. The roar becomes deafening. This was not just a theater, it was an engine of death and the ultimate symbol of an empire that believed it would last forever.
But look closer at the stones today. Most visitors see only the shell. They snap a photo and move on. But they are missing the true story. By the end of this video, you will understand that the Colosseum is not just a monument to the past, it is a living puzzle. We are going to peel back the layers of history and descend into the dark labyrinths hidden for centuries. What if I told you that this arena could transform into an ocean? Stay with me, because the Rome you think you know is about to change before your eyes. To truly understand this place, we must go back to the year 70 AD. Emperor Vespasian needed a gift to the people. He didn't build a palace for himself, he built a palace for the public. It was a logistical nightmare. It required over 100,000 cubic meters of stone. When you stand before it today, try to fathom the sheer height of it. In an ancient world of small huts, this was a skyscraper. It dominated the skyline. It was designed so efficiently that 50,000 spectators could enter within minutes. A design so perfect that modern stadiums still use the exact same blueprint today. But inside the arena is where the true magic happened. Imagine the inaugural games. They lasted for 100 days straight. Lions from Africa, tigers from India, the emperor brought the world to Rome. Here's the most mind-bending fact. In the early years, the arena could be flooded. Engineers diverted water to turn the amphitheater into a lake. Full-sized ships would sail in for naval battles. Imagine sitting in Rome watching a sea battle unfold inside stone walls. It speaks to an ambition that borders on madness. Eventually, the water was replaced by the Hypogeum, the underground. This part of the tour will give you chills. Beneath the floor lay a skeletal maze. It was dark, smelly, and hot. Here, slaves operated complex elevators. They could hoist a cage containing a 500-pound lion from the dark depths directly up to the arena floor. Trap doors would snap open, and a starving beast would appear out of thin air. To walk through the underground today is to walk in the footsteps of the doomed. It is a visceral, haunting experience. So why travel thousands of miles to see a ruin? Because the Colosseum is not a static object. It is a mirror. It represents the pinnacle of human engineering, yet it was built for brutality. It is beautiful, and it is terrible. You need to go there to feel the texture of history. Imagine arriving in Rome. The morning air is crisp. You grab an espresso, turn a corner, and there it is. Sudden, massive, eternal. I urge you to visit at sunset, the golden hour. The sun hits the stone, turning the entire building a deep, glowing orange. In that moment, the noise fades away, and you feel the weight of 2,000 years. You realize you are just a small part of a very long story. As the sun sets over the eternal city, the Colosseum begins to glow with amber light. It stands as a silent sentinel. The screams of the gladiators are gone. replaced by the whispers of awe-struck travelers. We started this journey looking at a map, but a map cannot give you the smell of rain on ancient stone. The Colosseum is a pilgrimage through time. It is a reminder of what we are capable of building. It is waiting for you. The gates are open. The history is written in stone. All that is missing from the story is you.